Hello everyone, today I will show how to install screen guard on your Ola S1. Park your vehicle where there is no dust. You will need screen guard, alcohol wipe and electric tape to align the screen guard. Clean the screen with alcohol wipe. Now cut 3 each electric tape and stick as shown in the video above the screen. Remove the back layer of the screen guard and put the screen guard on the screen and align it properly, and then swipe your finger to remove as much bubble as possible. It has an adhesive below which will stick to the screen. Now with the help of your finger, remove all the bubble as much as possible, and then use the sponger and bring all the bubbles which are in the between to the edge of the screen and remove it. Now slowly remove the electric tape as shown in the video. After removing all the bubbles, I tried to remove the front layer, but I was not able to do so. So I stick the electric tape on the edges and then remove the front layer. I have bought this from Amazon and I received 2 screen guard, matte and gloss. Affiliate links in the description. Thank you.